be walking out to your garden in September thinking it's too late to plant anything new, but what if I told you that you're actually on the brink of the best gardening season? Yes, September is a hidden gem for gardeners in Zone 8, and today I'm going to show you exactly what to plant this month to set yourself up for a bountiful harvest. You won't believe what's possible when everyone else is winding down. Cool season vegetables. September is the perfect time to plant cool season vegetables. They love the milder weather and will thrive as temperatures start to drop. Here's what you should be planting. Spinach. This leafy green is a must. It grows quickly and can handle a light frost, making it perfect for fall harvests. Carrots. Carrots are another great choice. Plant them now and you'll have sweet, crisp carrots ready by late fall. Broccoli. If you've never grown broccoli, now's the time. September gives it the cool start it needs to grow big and tasty. Herbs for the cooler days. Herbs are often overlooked in fall, but many varieties love the cooler weather. Plus, they'll be perfect for those comforting fall dishes. Cilantro. This herb actually prefers cooler weather. Plant it now and you'll have fresh cilantro for all your autumn meals. Parsley, another herb that thrives in cooler temperatures. It's super easy to grow and adds a fresh flavor to your cooking. Chives. Chives are hardy and can survive winter in Zone 8. Plant them now and they'll keep coming back year after year. Flower power. Yes, you can still plant flowers in September. Some flowers actually prefer the cooler weather, and they'll keep your garden looking vibrant. Pansies. These tough little flowers can handle the cold and will bloom through fall and even into winter. Violas. Similar to pansies, violas love cooler temperatures and will add a splash of color to your garden. Snapdragons. These flowers are perfect for fall planting. Give your garden a fresh look and last well into the cooler months. Root vegetables. Root veggies are perfect for planting in September. They'll grow underground, protected from the cold, and be ready for you to enjoy in late fall and early winter. Beets. Beets are hardy and can be harvested at any size. They're a great crop to plant now for a nutritious fall harvest. Radishes. These grow super fast, so you can plant them now and be enjoying fresh radishes in just a few weeks. Turnips. Turnips are another root vegetable that thrives in cooler weather.
They're easy to grow and versatile in the kitchen.
Cover crops. If you're looking to improve your soil over the winter, now is the time to plant cover crops. They'll protect and nourish your garden, setting you up for success next spring. Clover. Clover is a fantastic cover crop that adds nitrogen to the soil, helping your plants next season. Rye. Rye is great for controlling weeds and adding organic matter to your soil. This lesser-known cover crop fixes nitrogen in the soil, making it richer for next year's garden. So there you have it. September is far from the end of the gardening season. It's just the beginning of something amazing in Zone 8. Whether you're planting cool season vegetables, fresh herbs, vibrant flowers, or even preparing your garden for next year with cover crops, this is the month to dig in and get growing. Don't let the cooler days fool you. Your garden is ready to thrive. Hit the like button if you found these tips helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening advice. Happy planting.